How to fix TikTok direct messages not showing on Android phone. Hello guys, in today's video I'm gonna show you how to fix TikTok direct messages not showing on Android phone. First open settings and then go to storage here, and now click cleanup. And here all you need to do, just you need to wait for this one here, junk files or cache, and then just clean it. Click clean up and it will be cleaned. And if that doesn't fix your problem, go to settings, apps, and go to TikTok, and now go to this one, force stop, click on it and force stop your TikTok, and go to storage, clear cache. And now just go back and try again, restart your phone and try again, and your problem must be fixed. Don't forget like and see you in the next video.